Hi everyone, my name is Alpana Rastiadi. I'm student of Chemistry Education in 11 Maret University. Welcome to Chemistry Explaining Pauli's exclusion principle and the quantum number in 3 minutes or less. Quantum mechanics is the study of the property of matter that are similar to property of light. Honestly, explaining quantum mechanics is too complicated for 3 minutes. Why too complicated? Why do I do to myself? So let's just talk about this conclusion. Of the studies, we're trying to figure out why in some situation if you run, for example, electrical current through a gas, you get a different color depending on the gas. Moreover, if you spill that light, you get this straight line inside of continuous spectrum like you vote for white light. Well, the only thing we have going for us is per model, a handful of points that are really important. The first one is that electron can only be in specific location. The second being this have very specific energy value associated with them. And the third, if electron go form on this area because they change by a very specific value of energy. That means there is a specific amount of energy and that energy is in the form of light in a very specific frequency depending on the atom. We are going to be able to see different frequency of light. A lot more study into quantum mechanics later and people figure out exactly where the electron go around the atom. 4 different quantum numbers. The first one is the principal quantum number and can have a whole number starting with n equal 1. And those are the principal energy level. The second quantum number is the azimuthal quantum number, also known as the angular momentum quantum number, and that represents the shape of the orbital that the electrons are occupying, that is L, and it can have value anywhere from 0 to the current value and mean one value of equal 0 is an s orbital, which is a value of L equal is a p orbital, which are 3 figure x orbital for L equal to that d orbital, and that are a lot more complicated shape, but some of the look like cross and the orbital that equal 3, well 3 too complicated. The third quantum number refers to different shapes orbital. I was talking about the value of ml equal anywhere between minus L and L. I think about suborbital as Lofsit. There are S for Lofsit, P for 3 Lofsit, D for 5 Lofsit, and F for 7 Lofsit. The first quantum number explaining that I call it the magnetic spin number, and as you can either have a positive or negative spin. When the electric spin, they create a magnetic field, so they attract each other. There are a principle called Pauli exclusion principle. Thank you and see you next time.